Good morning, children of class 2. In the previous video, we discussed about the different features of landforms, okay, like mountain, plains, hills, plateaus, valleys, island, deserts, okay. Children's, the water on our earth is also having different kinds of water bodies. This makes them different features, okay. The water, how their size, how big it is, the water is salty or not, or whether it is still water or a flowing water. Flowing water means that will comes from higher to the lower ground, okay children's. And children's, the main sources of water is rainfall is the main sources of water, and some of this rainwater steep into the ground, okay, and they accumulate underground, and as no we can know as in groundwater, and we use groundwaters by wells and tube wells to bring up groundwater for our use. And most of the rainwaters that will run down and creeks and gullies empties into a large water bodies, means that the rainwaters will be run down and creeks and gullies emptying into a larger body. Means a creek means a narrow shelter waterways which is like a deep channels formed by the actions of water. This type of picture, this is known as the creek, okay. And children, so the water from the melting of the snow, that is, this is the melting snowfalls, and children, the snowfalls of these higher mountains will be melted, and it will runs down towards the small creeks, and they again join to the small, and they form a streams, okay. And many rivers that will such as streams mix and many rivers, okay. And the water then swiftly flow towards the through the hills and carries the mud river. The most of the rivers of the which was flowing from the hills, that rivers carries mud from the river sides, river beds, and carries out valleys, and then again this will comes to the plains, okay. This river first, this will flow from the mountains to the hills, then again from the valleys, then again it will comes and flows towards the plains. And in the plains, the flow of the river is not rapid, okay children. And is a pond is in a small body of still water, okay, and mostly formed by the rainwater, and it gets deep during the rainy seasons and shallow in the dry month. And children's, a lake is much bigger body of a still water and carrying its water. Sometimes this river waters, okay, flow out of the road. Sometimes, not all, every times all the rivers will originated from the mountains, but some rivers will also originated from the lakes, okay. And that will comes down to the, again that rivers which will comes from the lakes, they also comes down towards the sea, okay. And ponds and lakes are also a good source of these ponds and lakes are also a good sources of water, fresh water. Although, but the water may be sometimes we need to be cleaned before we use the ponds and lake water, okay children. The water of the sea and ocean is salty. This sea and ocean water is salty, we cannot drink it is, okay. And children's, a sea is a huge water bodies, okay. A sea, this is a picture of a sea which we can see from seen from the Mumbai, okay. And children's, a sea is a huge water body that is surrounded by land on all or most sides, on all parts or on almost sides, and some sea merge into the oceans, okay. And children, this is an ocean pictures of Indian oceans, which is Indian oceans and other oceans are the biggest water bodies on earth. In children's, in our earth, there are five big oceans. Their names are Pacific Oceans, Indian Oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Oceans, okay. And children's, this is the picture of Indian oceans. It will we can see Indian Ocean from the Kanyakumari, and Kanyakumari is the last point of Indian country, okay.